Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find the complete solution of O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many others competitive exam. Today's problem is t minus 3 into t plus 5 into t plus 9 into t minus 7 equal 385. You have to find the value of t. So we will solve this question as first of all we will arrange its pairs. We will arrange its factors such that when we see 5 minus 3 will gives 2, similarly 9 minus 7 gives 2. It's mean these factors are in correct place. We just do the multiplication. First of all, t is multiplied by t plus 5 and then minus 3 is multiplied by t plus 5. Similarly, we will do the multiplication of these two factors such that t is multiplied by t minus 7 and plus 9 is multiplied by t minus 7 and that equals 385. Now these become t square plus 5t minus 3t minus 15 and this will become t square minus 7t plus 9t minus 63 equals 385. After this, we will write this as t square plus 2t minus 15 and this is t square plus 2t minus 63 and that equals 385. Now we will make a supposition here. Let's suppose t square plus 2t equals y. That gives y minus 15 and the y minus 63 that equals 385. Now we will do the multiplication of this. First of all, y is multiplied by y minus 63 and then minus 15 is multiplied by y minus 63 and that equals 385. Now y into y times is y squared minus 63y minus 15y and then 15 is multiplied by 63 gives 945 and that equals, or we will do the subtraction of this also here, 385 equals 0. Now this equation will become y square minus 63 and 15 will be 78. 78y, then 945 minus 385 will be plus 560 equals 0. Now we will solve this as we will apply the quadratic formula on this to make the factor of this. So we get, now we will solve this further here. We can make the factors of 560 as this is y square 78y plus 560 equals 0. We will make the factors of 560 that are 70 and 8. Because when we multiply 70 into 8, we get 560. And when we added both of them, that gives 78. Now take y as common from this, remaining is y minus 70 and take minus 8 is common from this, we will get y minus 70 and that equals 0. There are two cases, y minus 8 and the y minus 70 and both are equal 0. First factor, there are two cases. Case 1 is y minus 8 equals 0 which implies y is 8. And the other case is y minus 70 equals 0 which gives y equals 70. Now these are the two factors. Now we will substitute its value here and then find the value of t. So we will solve this further here. We have two cases. First case is t square plus 2t equals 8 and the other one is t square plus 2t equals 70. You have to find the value of t. So t square plus 2t minus 8 equals 0. Now 4 2s are 8 means plus 4t and minus 2t gives you 8, and when we solve this it will give you 2t. So t is common, t plus 4, then minus 2 is common, t plus 4 equals 0. There are two factors, t plus 4 and the t minus 2, both are equal 0. In this sides we have t square plus 2t minus 70 equals 0. Now we have to make the factors of 70 such that when they are subtracted gives 2t, and when they are multiplied gives 70. So it will not possible, we have to apply the quadratic formula. So t equals minus b means minus 2 plus minus b square mean 4 minus 4 of ac, a is 1 and c is minus 70 divided by 2. So this will equals minus 2 and minus 2 plus minus, we can take 4 as common from this. So this will be 1 plus 70, it will 71. So 4 is the root of 2 root 71 divided by 2. So divided by 2 will gives you minus 1 plus minus root of 71. And here we will get, now we will write all the values of t. We get the values, 4 solutions of t. Write this here, that solution will be, we have t equals t plus 4 equals 0 means t is minus 4, and t minus 2 equals 0 will gives t is 2, and this one will be, we have minus 1 plus root 7 and the minus 1 minus root 7. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing, stay tuned.